Why 90% of investors don't beat ETFs, and you probably won't either. You think you can beat the market? Bad news. Over 90% of investors can't, and most likely you won't either. Why do so many people still try to beat the market? Humans love the feeling of control. We believe that if we just pick the right stock or buy at the right time, we'll win. But reality says otherwise. For decades, over 90% of individual investors and even professional funds have failed to outperform the market indexes like the S&P 500 or total market funds like VTI. Not because they're not smart, but because they can't control their own behavior. 3 reasons why you and most people underperform ETFs. Emotions, the number one enemy of investors. You panic when the market turns red. You get greedy when someone brags about 300% gains. You buy at the top, you sell at the bottom, and you don't even realize you're doing it over and over again. You don't lose because you're dumb. You lose because you're human. 2. Overtrading and losing control. You think, the more I active, the more control I have. But every trade means you have to be right twice, when you buy and when you sell. Add in trading fees, taxes, stress, it adds up fast. Meanwhile, ETFs like VTI just keep growing, quietly, over time. The less you touch them, the better they work. 3. Trusting gurus instead of real data. You saw someone on TikTok say, this stock is going to 10x. You jumped in, and then it crashed, hard. Meanwhile, VOO has delivered close to 10% per year for nearly 50 years. No hype, no noise, just steady, boring returns. ETFs, the best option for 90% of people. Warren Buffett once said, for most people, the best thing is to buy a low-cost index fund like VOO and hold it. You don't need to beat the market, you just need to stop beating yourself. ETFs are proven. They've survived crashes, wars, pandemics, and they're still standing strong. So what should you actually do? Stop chasing the next big stock. Start with something simple. An ETF like VTI, VOO, or SCHD. Set up automatic investing every month. Let time and discipline do the work. Just $100 a month into VTI could turn into nearly $20,000 in 10 years, without stress, without guesswork. But ETFs aren't boring? Yes. And you'll hear people say, ETFs are too slow, or this stock is going to explode, or crypto is where the real money is. Here's a better question. Are they rich yet? Most rich people invest in boring stuff, because boring works. ETFs are boring, but they build real wealth. Final thought. Sure, you can try to beat the market, but statistically, you're probably going to lose. Or you can go the simple route. Invest in ETFs and outperform 90% of the people trying to be smarter than the market. So ask yourself, do you want to feel smart or actually get rich? If that hit home, hit subscribe for more unfiltered finance. Because real investing doesn't need hype, it just needs discipline.